Hello and welcome to this course in which you're going to be learning about how you can install the latest version of Windows, which is Windows 11 on your system. This is an unofficial Windows update that you can find on the internet and you can easily download the ISO file. I will be showing you the step-by-step guide of how you can install it on your system with the help of VMware Workstation. So I will be your instructor throughout the video. My name is Arbaz Khan and let's get started with the video. So first of all, you need to download the ISO file of Windows 11. I will be providing the link in the resources section of this course, or you can check out the description of this video to download the ISO file that is required for the Windows 11 to be installed. And after that, we need to go to this website, which is VMware Workstation, and we need to download this VMware Workstation on our system. So I will just open this website and I will be providing the link in the description of this video so you can check that out. So here you can see VMware Workstation 16 player. So we need to click here and download the VMware on our system, and it will take few minutes to download it. After the download is finished, you need to download both piece of software, and after that you just need to install the VMware Workstation or VMware player on your system. Once that is done, we just need to open the VMware, and as you can see on the screen, here is the home page of VMware Workstation once the installation process is finished. So we will just click on create new virtual machine, and after that I will click on installer disk image here, and we will browse, and you just need to navigate where your ISO file is available that we have downloaded for Windows 11. You can see here it is around 4.5 GB, so you can just download it directly from the link which is available in the description of this video. So after that we will click on open and we will click on next. We will set all the things to default, and I will finish the settings, and we will go into the settings of this machine. And I have 16 GB RAM on my system, so I will just set it to 4 GB RAM for the virtual machine. And the processor cores, I will just set it to 4 as I am having 16 core processor. So you can set it according to your system configuration. If you set it to the default, which is 2 cores and 2 GB RAM, it is okay, it will work totally fine on your system. So once that is done, we will click on OK, and I will just launch the virtual machine. I will click on OK and start booting in with the help of the Windows. I will just click on OK, and you can see I just set it to the full screen, and you can see it is starting the installation process for installing Windows 11. And this is not the official Windows 11 which is available from Microsoft. I don't know where it came from on the internet, but I will recommend you to install it on a virtual machine. Don't directly install it on your current Windows system, otherwise all the files and all the data that is available on your disk will get vanished off. So we will click on install, and it is similar to the Windows 10 installation process. So after this we will click on I don't have product key, and you can see here are different versions which are available for Windows 11. We will select the Windows 11 Pro, and you can see there are Windows Pro and Pro Education, Home and all. So I will just try to install the Windows 11 Pro. After that I will click on next. I will select this option, customize, and you can see here is a virtual disk that we created. I will just click on apply, okay, and you can see it has created a virtual partition for us, and we will select this partition and click on next, and it will start installing it onto our system. So I am using an SSD, so the installation process might be faster for me and it might be slower for you if you're using an HDD drive or a hard drive. So just keep in mind that the speeds that I'm getting is because of the SSD that I'm using. So it might differ for you in the speed of installation. So let this thing get completed and I will be back and showing you the remaining process. Okay, so finally the installation process is finished after 5 minutes, and you can see here are the settings that we need to set up. So we will just select it as India for me in this case. So we'll scroll up a little bit, and here, yes, you can see the UI is really better than the Windows 10. And skip. You can see the UI is far better than Windows 10, and it is looking pretty cool as well. You can see they have used a lot of different colors and some GIFs as well while the installation process is going on. So let's wait for this thing to finish up. Okay, so I have logged in with my Microsoft account. Now it is asking me to create a PIN for logging in into the account. So I will just set up the PIN. Okay, after that I will click on OK. It will take a few seconds to take us to the next thing that we need to set up. Okay, it is asking for a lot of permissions, so I will just select no for all these services for now, because we don't know where it came from, and I don't think that we should add a lot of information into this Windows. So after skipping that, we can only store files on this device. The UI is looking pretty cool, you can see here, and there is some animation as well. Let's see what's new from Windows. Okay, I think the entire process of setting up the settings is completed now. This might take a few minutes. Okay, so I will be back once the Windows is started and working properly. So So as you guys can see, finally the Windows 11 is installed onto a virtual machine. And if you have any issues or doubts regarding how you can install it on your system, or if you're getting any errors or issues, you can leave them in the comments of this video. So I will try to reply you as soon as possible. So if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.